In this video, I will show you how to install Gmail on Windows 11. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser. Once Chrome is open, type in mail.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, enter your email address and password to access your Gmail account. Once signed in, you'll be greeted by your inbox. Now that you're inside Gmail, look for three little dots, located at the top right corner of your browser window. Click on these dots to reveal a menu. From this menu, look for an option that says Cast, Save and Share. Now select Install Pages app. This option allows you to create a standalone application for Gmail. After clicking Install Pages app, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Make sure everything looks good, then click Install again. Once it's done, feel free to exit out of any remaining windows or tabs. You should now see a shortcut labeled Gmail right on your desktop. Double-click this icon whenever you want quick access to your emails without opening Chrome first. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to install Gmail as an app on Windows 11. Now accessing your emails has never been simpler, just one click away. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.